In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a folder in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick and useful task to learn, especially if you want to bring in a whole group of files at once instead of importing them one by one. Importing a folder can save time and help keep your media organized right from the start. To begin, look at the top left area of the DaVinci Resolve interface. In that section, you'll find an icon that looks like a folder with a small arrow pointing downward. This is the Import Folder option. If you're new to the layout, take a moment to locate it carefully because it's an easy button to miss at first glance. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a browser window where you can look through the folders on your computer. From here, simply navigate to the folder you want to bring into your project. Make sure you select the correct folder, especially if you have several folders with similar names or if your media is stored inside multiple subfolders. After selecting the folder, confirm the import. DaVinci Resolve will then bring that folder into your project. This is a convenient way to quickly add all the media stored inside that folder without having to manually select each file individually. And that's it. The folder is now imported. A helpful tip is to double-check that the folder you're importing contains the files you actually need before you bring it in. This can help avoid clutter in your media pool and keep your project cleaner and easier to manage. It's also a good habit to organize your footage, audio and graphics into clearly labeled folders ahead of time, since that makes the import process much smoother. If DaVinci Resolve takes a moment to process the folder, that's normal, especially if the folder contains a lot of media. Just give it a few seconds to finish importing everything properly. So again, all you need to do is go to the top left, click the folder icon with the downward arrow, choose the folder you want to import, and confirm your selection. It's a simple process, but it can make your editing workflow much faster and more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.